In this video, I will talk about an excellent skin moisturizer. I will also share its recipe with you. This remedy can be made at home, and it is a proven formula, meaning it has been used for a very long time. Its chemistry, that is, its chemical composition, closely resembles the skin's natural oil. The oil that appears on the skin is called sebum. Sebaceous glands produce this oil, and this remedy does not make the skin oily. It absorbs very well, brings softness to the skin, and gives a healthy glow. Now let's first understand this a little. The skin is the largest organ of our body. When anything is applied to the skin, it passes directly through the liver and enters the body, becoming a part of it. It is quite surprising how people apply different kinds of chemical lotions, synthetic makeup products, and many other things on their skin without understanding them. This scrubs and sterilizes the skin, which increases sensitivity, causes itching, makes the skin red, and makes it even drier. Because of this dryness, the body receives a signal that more oil is needed. The sebaceous glands become active and produce more oil, which leads to clogged pores and acne. The risk of infection also increases because sterilization kills the friendly bacteria present on the skin that were previously preventing infection and protecting the skin. Therefore, it is very important to understand that no toxic, compound or artificial chemicals should be applied to the skin, because on one hand it damages the skin, and on the other hand there is pollution, dust, environmental contamination, and the sun's UV radiation. UV radiation directly damages skin cells. Even more important than all of this is diet. What do you eat? What do you drink? Is there too much trans fat in your food? Because everything you eat becomes a part of the body and directly affects the skin. Some people go on a low-fat diet. Look, healthy fats are very important for healthy skin. Skin is made up of protein and fat. Often, people who are dieting completely eliminate fats from their food. Even on low-carbohydrate diets, they consume only protein and no fats at all. Or those who eat only plant proteins, soy protein isolate, soybeans and other plant sources, to meet their protein intake, and do not eat any animal protein. Such people develop wrinkles on the skin earlier, and skin aging speeds up because they are not getting enough collagen. Their protein profile is incomplete, and omega-3 is missing, which is very important for skin health. Not only the skin, but hair also becomes dull, and overall aging speeds up. Then there are people who love junk food and ultra-processed foods. These contain artificial corn sugar, MSG, also called Chinese salt, and synthetic corn starch. All of this is deep-fried in oil. Refined cooking oils and seed oils are used, which are unstable and cause oxidation in the body. These oils cause inflammation in blood vessels, tissues and body organs, including the skin, which is the largest organ of the body. These oils penetrate cell membranes and remain there for 2 to 3 years. They contain more omega-6 and less omega-3. So where is omega-3 found in higher amounts? In fish oil, flaxseed oil, linseed oil, chia seed oil, sesame oil, and walnut oil. These are healthy options available to you. The cooking oils available in the market are highly processed oils. Because of this processing, their omega-3 content is reduced. You may be surprised to know that omega-6 is also being added to many moisturizing creams. When you apply these directly to your skin, the skin deteriorates further, dries faster, and develops wrinkles. Over the past 100 years, the use of cooking oils has increased by up to 1,600%. Even in the last 20 years, their use has doubled. I would suggest that you try an oil detox for 30 days. Remove these oils from your diet for 30 days, just to see what health benefits you get and how much your body changes. It is a short period of time. 1 month is not too long. Now, what is this thing that should be applied to the skin? It is beef tallow. Tallow is a Latin word which means sebum. Sebum is the oil our body produces, the oil that appears on the skin. It comes from the sebaceous glands. This type of fat does not oxidize the skin and does not cause inflammation. It contains vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and CLA. CLA helps retain moisture in the skin, maintains hydration, and prevents dryness. Beef tallow looks similar to coconut oil, but it is different from coconut oil. It does not make the skin greasy or oily. It brings softness to the skin and gives a healthy glow. It also contains many nutrients that help reduce dark spots on the skin. Plus, it prevents wrinkles. The fat present in it is about 50% saturated fat. It contains oleic acid, which is a very good moisturizer, palmitic acid, which softens the skin, stearic acid, which repairs the skin, and linoleic acid, which is actually omega-6, but it is present only at about 2%, which is a very small amount. The method to make it is very easy. Take half a cup of beef tallow, add 2 tablespoons of almond oil or olive oil. Up to this point, these 2 ingredients are sufficient. This mixture will have no smell. For fragrance, if you want, it is optional. You can add rosemary oil. Fragrance is not that important anyway. It has no strong smell of its own. Do not make it in large quantities. Make a small amount, use it up, and then make it again. Mix all of this well. If you have an electric mixer, the process will be a bit easier, but it can also be made by hand. During mixing, it reaches a stage where it turns into a balm. This is the consistency you want. Again, the main ingredient is beef fat, which you can get from any local meat shop. First, you need to make beef tallow from beef fat. You can easily find this process on the internet. Many videos are available. So start using this balm regularly on your skin instead of chemical moisturizers, and you will see a big difference. It contains no chemicals at all. It's completely natural, and it is an old remedy. In the past, people used it regularly, but they stopped when the idea was introduced that saturated fats are bad for the body. That is not true. The excessive use of unsaturated fats and their poor quality is what is harmful to health. If you combine these 2 things, remove omega-6 fats from your diet and start using tallow on your skin, you will see a big difference within just a few weeks. Definitely try it, and be sure to share your experience in the comments section.